Just imagine this for a second. Imagine having a company with zero employees. Well, that's exactly what launching a business at Amazon KDP is. Because if you think about it, let's go back. Let's go back. All right. Amazon takes care of the shipping. Amazon takes care of the handling. Amazon pays your taxes. Amazon takes care of printing costs. Amazon puts money in your bank. They take care of customer service. They take care of refunds. So, is it not similar to having a company with zero employees? Now, obviously, you're paying Amazon a specific amount of money for the amount of work that they do for you because I need to be fair. The work that Amazon does is not for free. But if you think about it, it's the same as having a company just with zero employees. That's the same thing. And so it's really the perfect opportunity for anybody seeking to make their first bills and even to take this up to a five, six, or even seven figure business. Why not? Now, if you're shy and if you think, well, I don't like talking to customers, I don't like talking over the phone, period. There is no need to talk to the customer. Amazon takes care of that away for you. So even if you're the timid guy, the shy introverted guy who just wants to sit and not talk to anybody, this is the perfect business plan for you because all you got to do is to sit there in front of your computer, design covers, and publish books and watch the money flowing into your bank account. Obviously, there is this great quote by Napoleon Hill that goes like this: You can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. Now, this is not charity because most people, when they see this, they say, well, okay, well, this means that I just have to go out there and give charity to everybody. Charities obviously is a great way of getting energy from the universe because you give charity away, you help somebody out, then definitely the universe will help you out. You know, that's proven. But what this means, or what Napoleon Hill meant by you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed is picture it like this. Let's say you are in a race and you're racing on your feet. You're racing, 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 and then one of you saw a horse. As it happened, the guy had some food. Then he went to the horse, he fed the horse, and jumped on the horse's back and ran away. And obviously, ran away too far to the point where the others couldn't see him anymore because the horse is three times or even more as fast as a human. Obviously, what that guy did is exactly what is explained in this message. That guy helped the horse, and by helping the horse helped the guy out. So, what we're doing here is similar, except for the fact that the horse we're talking about here is Amazon. We are driving sales to Amazon by adding many books on KDP. And once a book is sold, Amazon makes a commission. And so by Amazon making a commission, they give us something as well because we give them something. And so this is how this law works. You give something, you get something in return. You don't give, you get nothing. All right. So that's the law. Now, there's this book that I want to recommend for you before going forward: Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is just an amazing book. If you haven't read it, please go ahead and read it. Napoleon Hill is the guy who coined this quote over here. Now,